Hey you guys, it's Tae Rene and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you something a little special. We're doing a product review as well as a tutorial. So I'm going to teach you step by step how to achieve this look while giving my professional, unbiased opinion on Fenty's new Pro Filt'R concealers, setting powders, and foundation. Ooh, bam, check that out. All right, and then the other side here.
Makes me so happy.
Makeup. Okay, so this is the packaging. We got boom there and boom here. Oh, you can't really see because my nails are covering. So as you can see, I have swatched all 4 shades and I'm really feeling this right here. I'll probably use this to contour and yeah, this to conceal like any blemishes or anything like that. So let's try this 385. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, she likes that. Okay. So I'm just gonna go in and put this all over my face. Ooh. Shh. All right, you see this? I'm really loving this. I think the combination of the brush and the foundation is like perfect. And you can see my imperfections on this side and bam. And I really didn't use a lot. So I am still like raving over this foundation. Perfect shade. I love it. Oh. Oh. She likes. Like loving this, and I'm liking the way it feels. I think it has a lot to do with the primer. I think the primer from Fenty is made for the foundation. I will say that the primer gets your skin nice and ready because this foundation is a little more matte than others. So I do feel like this foundation, like the primer was made, like it's the perfect pair. Because the primer is nice and moisturizing. I'm using the Pro Filt'R primer. I always put foundation on my eyes because you want everything to blend. Okay. So I have some full coverage going on here. And it's really like, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I don't think I reviewed this yet on a video, so yeah. This is good. No. Oh, that's very yellow.
Here you go.
Thank you, pumpkin. Thank you, baby. This, we got, okay. This is very like, whoa. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit. I should have gone in with less. Oh, cow. And I always go in on the sides of my nose. I'm gonna try to do this as cute as possible, you know, how the professional YouTubers do. It's like, everything's so just dainty and I'm liking this color. I'm nervous though. It is a teeny bit orange for my taste, but hey, the powder might balance that out. Da, 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 da. I really like this applicator. This applicator is super amazing. Ooh. It dries fast. So, I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing. I like the way it blends. It blends really nice. I really do like it. I'm cool with that. I'm pretty cool with that. I think I'm gonna turn it on this side. That just feels so much better. I like how you get the flat and rounded side of the sponge. I think that's pretty genius. Blend that right out. So I'm just gonna do like dot, dot, dot. Okay, I can do a little more. I was really just like nervous as to how dark this will be on me. I really don't like my contour too dark. So, come on in there. Okay, so I like this color. Blend, 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 my child. Blend. Okay, cool. So it's time to try the setting powder, and I'm gonna go in with honey or hazelnut. Which one is better? Honey. Forgot to turn the mic on. I'm gonna take the nutmeg shade. I really like the way this set. I've given it some time, and I am back, and it looks good. So I'm just taking the nutmeg shade and going all over the rest of my face with it. Oh, these brushes. These are amazing. Now, I swept a majority of my bake off, but I'm still gonna leave that part on my under my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've started doing my eyes and I am still baking. So kind of got like a little cute eye look going here. So I'm still feeling this powder. Like this is about to be my go-to. For real, for real. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this off because I want to put on my bottom mascara. So I'm gonna use this brush. Oh, it's so soft. Like, it's very rare that you can find a brush that you can use under little small spaces, but because it's so fluffy and flexible, you can totally do that, like all up under the eye. Oh, I love it. Okay, I am really liking that. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on my lashes and I'll do the rest with you guys. Be right back. Okay, so I did my eyeshadow off camera, and I swept off my bake. I touched up a little bit more, and this is what we're looking like so far. So this is what we got. I'm loving it so far. I'm doing like a natural look, so I'm gonna go in with my highlight now and my lip. So my highlight today is Rose on Ice. This is also a Fenty Glow. Just pop a little. Not mad about that. Just a little more, but extra never hurt anybody, right? Okay, and I'm gonna pop some right here. This is the look. I'm gonna go in with some lippies. I'm gonna use these two. Shawty. Shawty. Give me 1 second, Ella. Shawty. Shawty by Fenty and Single. These are two of my favorites. And I might even put some gloss on it, since I'm all glowing or whatever. And anytime I put something right here, it makes me orange. Anywho. She is cute. So all in all, I'm loving the entire Fenty line. I'm wearing the primer, foundation, the highlighter, the bake, which is the Pro Filt'R loose powder. I'm wearing both of them, the shade Hazelnut and Honey. I have Fenty on my eyes. Loving everything about this. It's a combo of the Moroccan Spice palette and this bad baby right here, the Killawatt foil palette. So here is the final product. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review. Please let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this. I'm going to leave everything that I used in the description box below. And be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.